Hello, fellow travelers. This week, we're embarking on an adventure to Germany, a country filled with rich history, modern innovation, and stunning landscapes. From medieval castles to vibrant cities, let's explore the wonders of Germany together. We start our journey in Berlin, Germany's dynamic capital. As we land at Berlin Brandenburg Airport, the city's mix of history and modernity greets us. The first stop on our itinerary is the Brandenburg Gate, an iconic symbol of unity and peace. Standing before this neoclassical monument, we reflect on its significance in German history. Next, we head to the Berlin Wall Memorial. The preserved sections of the wall and the accompanying exhibits offer a poignant look into the division and reunification of Germany. It's a powerful start to our week. For dinner, we enjoy traditional German dishes at a local restaurant. Bratwurst and sauerkraut, paired with a refreshing glass of Berliner Weiss, make for a hearty meal. On our second day, we dive into Berlin's cultural treasures. Museum Island, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is home to 5 world-renowned museums. We begin with the Pergamon Museum, where ancient artifacts transport us back in time. The Ishtar Gate and the Pergamon altar are particularly impressive. In the afternoon, we stroll through the Tiergarten, Berlin's sprawling urban park. The lush greenery and tranquil paths provide a peaceful escape from the bustling city. Dinner takes us to a trendy restaurant in Kreuzberg, a district known for its vibrant art scene. We try currywurst, a popular Berlin street food, and chat with locals about their favorite spots in the city. A short train ride takes us to Potsdam, a city famous for its palaces and gardens. The highlight of the day is Sanssouci Palace, the former summer residence of Frederick the Great. The Rococo architecture and beautifully landscaped gardens are a feast for the eyes. We also visit the Neues Palais, a grand Baroque palace that showcases the opulence of Prussian royalty. Walking through the halls adorned with exquisite paintings and chandeliers, we feel transported to another era. For lunch, we enjoy a picnic in the gardens, savoring fresh bread, cheese, and locally produced wine. The serene atmosphere makes it a perfect midday break. On day 4, we travel to Dresden, a city renowned for its artistic and architectural beauty. The Frauenkirche, a stunning Baroque church, is a symbol of resilience, having been rebuilt after World War II. Next, we explore the Zwinger Palace, a masterpiece of Baroque design. Its galleries house impressive collections of art, including works by Raphael and Rembrandt. The intricate details of the palace's fountains and sculptures are mesmerizing. In the evening, we enjoy a concert at the Semper Opera House. The combination of world-class performances and the historic venue creates an unforgettable experience. Our journey continues in Bavaria, a region known for its fairy tale landscapes. The highlight of the day is Neuschwanstein Castle, the inspiration for Disney's Sleeping Beauty castle. Perched atop a hill, this romantic 19th century castle offers breathtaking views of the surrounding mountains and forests. We take a guided tour of the castle's interior, marveling at the lavish rooms and stunning murals. It's easy to see why this castle is one of Germany's most popular attractions. For dinner, we enjoy Bavarian specialties like schnitzel and pretzels at a rustic beer garden. The warm ambience and friendly locals make us feel right at home. On the 6th day, we explore Munich, Bavaria's vibrant capital. Our first stop is Marienplatz, the city's central square. The Gothic-style new town hall and its famous glockenspiel performance captivate us. Next, we visit the Nymphenburg Palace, a Baroque masterpiece surrounded by picturesque gardens. The palace's grandeur and the serene atmosphere of the grounds make it a highlight of our trip. In the afternoon, we head to the Deutsches Museum, the world's largest museum of science and technology. Interactive exhibits and fascinating displays keep us engaged for hours. Dinner is a festive affair at the Hofbrauhaus, Munich's legendary beer hall. Traditional music, lively conversations, and delicious food create an unforgettable evening. Our final day takes us along the Romantic Road, a scenic route that winds through charming villages and breathtaking landscapes. We stop in Rothenburg ob der Tauber, a well-preserved medieval town. The cobblestone streets, half-timber houses, and quaint shops make us feel like we've stepped into a storybook. We climb the town hall tower for panoramic views of the town and surrounding countryside. It's a perfect spot to reflect on our journey. For lunch, we try Schneeballen, a local pastry that's as delicious as it is unique. Paired with a cup of coffee, it's a delightful treat. In the evening, we return to Frankfurt, where our adventure began. As we prepare to depart, we feel a mix of gratitude and excitement, knowing that the memories of this trip will stay with us forever. Germany has been a remarkable destination, offering a blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. From the bustling streets of Berlin to the serene landscapes of Bavaria, every moment has been an adventure. I hope this journey inspires you to explore Germany and experience its magic for yourself. Until next time, happy travels!